If you set up Microsoft ads, left them running, and haven't touched them since, there's a very good chance your budget is being eaten up quietly right now. And I see this all the time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to structure your Microsoft Audience Network campaigns so they actually bring in quality leads instead of wasting your money on clicks that go nowhere. Number one, you're mixing everything in one campaign. The biggest mistake I see is businesses lumping their audience network ads in with their search campaigns. When you do that, your budget gets pulled in every direction. Your reporting is a mess, and you've got no idea what's actually working. It's like throwing all your ingredients into one pot and hoping dinner turns out all right. The fix is simple. Give your Microsoft Audience Network its own separate campaign with its own budget. That way, you can see exactly what it's doing, control how much you spend on it, and make decisions based on clean data instead of guesswork. While you're at it, set up brand safety exclusions from day one. Review your placement reports every week and block any dodgy or irrelevant sites. If you don't, your ads end up on pages that have nothing to do with your business. And that's impressions and clicks you're paying for with zero chance of a return. Point number two, you're going after cold audiences too early. Here's where a lot of people waste serious money. They launch a campaign, target a broad audience of people who've never heard of them, and wonder why nothing converts. Cold traffic on the audience network is expensive and unreliable if you haven't nailed the basics first. Start with your warmest audiences. People who've already visited your website, browsed your pricing page, added something to a cart, or are on your customer list. These people already know who you are, so your ads actually mean something to them. If you're running B2B campaigns, layer in LinkedIn profile targeting in observation mode first. That means you're gathering data on which job roles and industries engage most before you start adjusting bids. Once those warm audiences are delivering consistent results, then you can carefully test prospecting with a smaller budget, but not before. Now here's the bit most people completely miss. Point number three, your creative and landing pages aren't doing the job. On the audience network, your ads appear as native content alongside articles and news. People aren't actively searching for you, so your ad needs to earn that click. That means your headline has to promise a clear outcome, not just describe what you do. Something like, cut your admin time by 40% works far better than we offer business solutions. And when they click through, your landing page has to deliver on that promise instantly. If the headline on your page doesn't match what the ad said, people will bounce. So make sure your main call to action is visible straight away. Keep forms short and put a bit of social proof right next to that button. A star rating, a client logo, a short quote. Something that says you can trust us at exactly the moment they're deciding whether to take that next step. Point number four, you're measuring the wrong things. This is the silent killer. Your cost per click might look cheap. Your click-through rate might seem decent, but are those clicks actually turning into real business? If you're not tracking qualified leads, actual sales, or genuine pipeline opportunities, you're flying blind. Set up proper conversion tracking and make sure you're measuring actions that matter to your bottom line, not just form fills or page views. For B2B, import your offline conversions so you can connect ad spend to actual revenue. And here's a tip that saves a lot of headaches. Keep a simple change log. Every time you adjust something, write down what you changed, why you changed it, and what happened afterwards. Without that, you end up making 3 changes in a week and having no clue which one made the difference. That's how you keep repeating the same mistakes without realizing it. So stop leaving your Microsoft ads on autopilot. Give the audience network its own campaign. Start with warm audiences. Make your creative and landing pages work together and measure what actually matters. If you want help getting your campaigns properly structured, head over to sfdigital.co.uk.